The coronavirus bill will be the largest assistance program in the history of the United States, upwards of $6 trillion. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Kevin Svenson, and today we're going to be talking about the price of Bitcoin. And I also want to go over some very important fundamental topics right now. The way that the US Federal Reserve plans to bail out the United States right now is to give $2 trillion of direct assistance and about $4 trillion of Federal Reserve lending power. And you can bet that this is not just taking place in the United States, this is taking place worldwide. This means that the entire world is about to be flooded with trillions of dollars of fiat money. We are about to enter a time of high levels of inflation. And the way that things are playing out right now across the world gives Bitcoin a chance to actually fulfill its purpose, which is being a hedge against inflation. Right now, I'm at a point where owning cryptocurrencies is actually going to become a fundamental decision to protect my wealth. Owning hard assets like cryptocurrencies, like gold, like real estate, is actually going to become a fundamental decision for all of us. Personally, I'm becoming a lot more uncomfortable as time goes on with owning the US dollar. In the short term, the US dollar may continue to see strength, but there is no way in hell that the US dollar is going to retain its value in the years to come. If you guys are trading on Bittrex, Bitstamp, Kraken, Poloniex, Bittrex, Binance, HitBTC, and Coinbase Pro, well, guess what? On the CryptoWatch platform, you can actually trade directly off of all those exchanges, all from one place. Definitely click that link below and check out the platform. Now, let's get into the price of Bitcoin. Right now, I'm looking at the 4-hour chart. Bitcoin is continuing its uptrend, looking very bullish. In my last few videos, actually since we hit 3,800 and I've been calling for a major reversal for the Bitcoin price, we discussed the weekly volume indicating that this is actually a major reversal point, and historically high areas of volume are reversal points. Regardless, people have been telling me that I'm too bullish on Bitcoin and that Bitcoin is going to collapse to $2,000. People who are overly bearish on Bitcoin right now don't have a reason. They just think it's going to go lower. One of the biggest indicators for reversals when you're trading in a market is the volume. And we just saw volume levels that were higher than the volume levels that we saw when Bitcoin hit 20,000. This is a huge indicator that very likely we did hit our low, and the whales are very interested in these low prices. So this reversal call that I've been making on this channel for the past couple weeks is playing out. So after the coronavirus began to spread out of China and it hit Europe and hit the United States, and we had an economic shutdown and the traditional markets collapsed, Bitcoin followed that collapse to the downside. Initially, Bitcoin had a major collapse and we dropped, we saw like a 68% drop from 10,500 down to 3,858. If the bulls can manage to get back up to the $7,700 level, we would have essentially gained back all of our losses since 7,700, and this major dump would have almost been canceled out at that point. If we can cross above the $7,000 level, then we're most likely going to be looking to test back up to the $7,700 region, which was our last support area. If Bitcoin does begin to break this trajectory and hits 5,790, then I would start to consider that, yes, maybe it is possible that we would see maybe a retest of some lower prices before getting our recovery here. The volume shows me that there is just way too much interest in Bitcoin at these low levels for there to be any sort of major collapse again. The lowest I could see Bitcoin going at this point is just the creation of a higher low, or possibly double bottom, but I'm very doubtful of that. As of right now, we are still holding this upward sloping trajectory and things are looking very good. And actually at this point, from the way that it looks here, it actually seems like we may continue to see a recovery. I do think that over the next few years, Bitcoin's thesis, the idea that it's a hedge against inflation, which it is going to actually gain strength, and people are going to realize this. And as our economic system continues to just flood the market with new fiat dollars, people will be looking for cryptocurrencies. People are going to be looking for hard assets like Bitcoin, like gold, like real estate, like land. So I'm remaining bullish on Bitcoin. And as we've been discussing, the weekly volume does indicate a continued reversal is likely, as we've been saying. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, be sure to sign up with the CryptoWatch platform, and also become a patron if you want to support the channel further. You can get some extra content there. And I will see you guys in the next video.